Hello friends, in this video I am going to introduce you a website with which you can create your brand logo with artificial intelligence. You can create your brand logo in just 1 minute. If you want to create a brand logo for your business, open Google Chrome and search for brandmark.io. Tap on create my logo. Here you need to log in to this website to create a logo. Login is very simple. Tap on sign in with Google. Then type your brand name and your brand slogan. Tap on next. Then type some brand keyword for your business. In my case, I am typing digital agency, digital marketing, web development. Then pick the color. Now wait for a few seconds to generate your logo. Here you will find a lot of lot of related logo design for your business, which is created by artificial intelligence. If you have selected any design, then open the image and take a screenshot and edit the screenshot and crop the image so that you can use this for your business. By this way you can create AI brand logo for your business. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.